Good day to all employers. My name is Gina M. Ojos. I am married, 42 years old, and have two children, a 16 years old son and a 7 years old daughter. I am kind, respectful, honest, willing, and hardworking too. My past experience was in Taiwan way back 2011 to 2013 finished contract. I take care of 4 people, one elderly aged 88 years old, one adult, and two children ages 11 years old girl and 10 years old boy. I take care of Ama. I assist her to go to the hospital. I give her healthy foods. I help her do the exercise, massage her, and assist her to go to the toilet and take a bath and until she go to sleep. And I assist also the children, send and fetch them from school. I give them healthy foods. I give them their needs before going to school, and I prepare their pack lunch. I assist their assignments, to do their assignments, tutoring them. I play with them, and if they want to go for some extracurricular activities outside, I assist them. My 2 years experience also was in Chunwan, Hong Kong, take care of two elderly, one popo age 75 years old, and Hong Kong is 78 years old. I help them to go to the morning exercise. When they have checkups, I assist them to go to the hospital. I prepare their foods, give them milks. When they want to go to the morning tea, I assist them. I do the marketing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, cleaning the house. And if you will give me a chance to be a part of your family or to be your helper, I promise to do all the duties and the tasks you will give to me, and you can count on me. I will be a trustworthy person. You can trust on me, and I am looking forward to be a part of your family or your helper. Thank you and God bless.